Okay doodles, out on the Grom, as usual. We might have a run into town, into Southport, see who's about, see if anyone, see if the carousel's busy. So what have we been up to the last week or so? I did say I was picking up my new truck, didn't I? My new pickup truck. So that has happened. So I've now got a big double cab pickup truck. Done a few bits to it already. Got some LED bulbs in it, make it a bit cooler looking. Fitted a tow bar. Ready for towing the kits or the Grom or whatever I choose to do with it. Got a canopy on the back at the minute, but I'm taking that off to put a tonneau cover on. It'd be easier to load things in and out the back for what I want to use it for getting the Grom in on a ramp and whatnot. So that's next on the agenda. Get the canopy off, get the tonneau on. All on a budget, as usual. So I've been using the truck all week for work, and I'm getting about 28 to the gallon, which is a bit of a shock from the 40 to the gallon of the old BMW, but you know, different beast altogether. It's a turbo diesel, but automatic gearbox, because you know, I'm commuting in it, I sit in traffic a lot, I can't be bothered changing gear. I don't mind for fun in the kit cars or on the Grom, but on the daily grind, do you know what? I'd rather just get in and drive on an auto. So that's what I got. And it's nice, it's big, it's black, it's totally impractical, and I love it. I'm going to try and get you a walk around video of it soon. See what you guys think. Whether I've got spots in front of my eyes or millions of little fly things stuck to my visor already. I suspect the latter. Although I was out last night. I haven't ridden the Grom for about a week. You get on and wonder whether you remember what to do. Hopefully. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. Why did we not move then? Oh, see some lycra. Oh, too lots of lycra. It's a lot of lycra. I'm not deny this. So we could go and park up at the carousel and talk bike shite, or I can just ride around. And in all honesty, I'm probably better off riding around. Parking wide open. There we are. Seen that open for many a while. Do 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 do. You're one mile to make a mile, and you wanna set the world on fire. Talk about hey now, do 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 do. Yabba-dabba-doo, roop-de-doo, ribba-dibba-dooby-doo. Hey no, roop-a-doop-a-dee-doo, rubba-dabba-doo, roop-a-doo, yibba-dibba-dibba-doo. Do, 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 do. Do, do. Oh, what's that? Is that a Burlington or something? What are you holding your running board on then? I don't know. Maybe. How are we getting on? We had an hour's run round. I may just head home. I'll have another run out later. What do you reckon, Pete?